Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how you can restrict special characters in an input field using JavaScript. As you can see, I got an input field here. In this input field, I can enter letters and numbers, but I cannot enter any special character such as question mark. Let's enter a couple of letters, couple of digits. Now, when I will try to enter a question mark, I'll get the alert, special characters not allowed. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get index file here. Index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. A script file at the bottom, script.js. We only need one input element here. Type will be text. Placeholder will be type here. Save it. Now let's create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark cyan. Select the input element. Font size will be 30 pixels. The display will be block. Margin will be 50 pixel and auto. Padding will be 10 pixels. Border will be 2 pixels solid white. Border radius will be 5 pixels. And outline will be none. Save it. Now let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. In this input field, I can enter letters, numbers, and special characters. But to make sure it only allows letters and numbers, no special characters, you need to write a JavaScript code. So let's go to code editor. Create script.js here. Select the input element. We'll select it by the tag, which is input. We need to attach an event listener to this input element. That event will be input. This event will be triggered when somebody will enter a value in the input field. Add event listener, input, and this will be the handler function. Now the first step here is to get the value of the input field. For that, we'll utilize the value property of the input element and store that in a value variable. Also, in case the length of the value is 0, we'll do the early return. So here, let's use the if statement. So if it is equal to 0, just return. If length of the value is not 0, we'll validate the value using the regex to make sure it only contains letters and numbers and no special characters. Let me show you the regex here. So this is the regex that we need. Just copy it. Create a variable here, regex, and paste it. Create a variable is valid. In the regex, we have a method test, and we'll simply pass this value like this. So if it contains letters and numbers and no special characters, then is valid will be true, otherwise it will be false. So if is valid is false, we'll show the alert. Alert will be special characters not allowed. Save it. Now let's go to browser to see if it is working or not. Type here letters, numbers. Now let's try with the question mark, and we are getting the alert. So it is working perfectly, but I also want to remove this question mark, and I want to keep only the letters and the numbers. So let's go to code editor. So we'll restore the value by slicing the string. In the value, we have a slice method. We'll start from the very first character, then value.length -1. Now this simply means give us the entire string except the last character. So if the length of the string is 6 characters, we'll get only first 5 characters. Now just save it. Go to the browser. Now type here letters, numbers, Now let me try question mark here. We got the alert, and you can see we are no longer getting that question mark here. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.